Welcome back to Pure Una Ranch, where every day is a celebration of simple, wholesome living. Today, I'm excited to share how I make a Dutch baby, a delicious egg-rich dish that's perfect for ranch life. When you care for free-range birds, you get to enjoy eggs that are not only great tasting, but also packed with protein and nutrients for brain health. Our hens bless us with a couple dozen eggs each day, so we've learned to get creative in the kitchen. This recipe comes together fast, so have everything ready before you begin. You'll need 8 to 9 medium eggs. I used 9 today from our young layers, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of natural sugar or sweetener, 1 stick of butter, a large cast iron skillet, and a blender. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the cast iron skillet on the stove until it's hot. Then add the stick of butter and let it melt completely. Crack all 9 eggs into the blender. Add the milk, flour, and sugar. Blend for a few seconds. Scrape down the sides and blend again for about a minute until smooth. Once the butter is melted, pour the batter into the hot skillet. Immediately place the pan in the preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes. You'll see the Dutch baby rise dramatically around the edges and sometimes in the middle. Then deflate in the center as it cools. That's part of the fun. Remove from the oven and slice into 8 pie-shaped pieces. I like to serve it with a few fried eggs, maple syrup, and fruit preserves for a hearty ranch-style breakfast. Living on a ranch means caring for our animals every day, but it also means we get to enjoy the freshest, healthiest food. Each egg is a gift, and every meal is a reminder of the blessings and responsibilities of ranch life. We hope you'll visit us someday and experience this joy for yourself.